Hey guys, welcome to a vlog. I look raggedy. Say hi to Lorna.
Hi everybody! How are you everybody?
Tell me say one thing, don't see if you understand.
So quickly, I might have to do an intro to this another time because it's very loud in here, but it's my dad's birthday and Father's Day, so we're celebrating, you know, a real small whatever. We have some decor.
Streamers everybody. This is Morgan did that. You see how rough it look? Look at that. That's a mess right there.
It's not that bad. And there's my dad. Happy birthday, Dad.
He's working on his birthday.
Right, he's working. Not supposed to be working. Here's some balloons. Here goes another worker bee on another streamer. Another worker bee who has finished their project. This looks great. And what you doing over here? We have some flowers that are gonna go somewhere, not really sure. And then this is outside that is raining currently.
It didn't even get wet at all. The only thing that wet was that.
So as quickly as it rained is as quickly as the sun came out. So now everything is drying up. So we're about to start decorating. But hello, sun. So this is kind of like what my family does. Like we really go all out, even if it's really something small. Can y'all hear me? All this yelling. Huh? Huh? Since you got it all figured out, yeah. You see what I was trying to deal with this whole time?
Oh, I think your top say these not opened up.
OMG.
Good job, guys. Good job.
These are the cutest little centerpieces that my mom got at Marshall's. And they're like beer caddies, and like we're using them as centerpieces, but you could use it as a beer caddy. And there's a beer bottle opener here, and you put the beer in here. So we're gonna put some beer in the middle of the table. So cute. This is what's going on. We got Chef O'Neill in the building. about to take some pictures and we are about to eat the second thingy. I had rum punch. Second course. So they had crab boil and now they're about to have steak.
It's on her face. I want some chicken. Happy birthday.
Everybody get on now, 'cause you know we got to get it from. Mary J is in the spot tonight, and I'ma make you feel alright. Come on, baby, just party with me. Let loose and set your body free. Leave your situations at the door, so when you step inside, jump on the floor. It's only gonna be about a matter of time before you get loose and start to lose your mind. Got you ready, 'cause we're celebrating over our man out night. Everybody's jumping, go ahead and twist your back and get your bodies bumping. I told you leave your situations at the door, so grab somebody and get your ass on the dance floor. Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolating while you're waiting, so just dance for us. Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in waiting, so just dance for us.
Birthday, Dad!
Thank you.
Happy birthday.